Avango Global FEZCO versus DCIT. Section 9, subsection 1, class Y. Income deemed to accrue and arise in India. Business connection. Business of operation of ships in international traffic. So, treaty must be extended to entire freight receipt, irrespective of whether the earning was related to feeder vessel or a ships in the international traffic. So, DTDA, India, UAE. The SS is a company incorporated in and domiciliated in the UAE, which is engaged in business of operation of ships in the international traffic. SSC claimed exemption is respect of the entire right vessel. Assessing officer allowed only the partial exemption. On appeal, the tribunal held that the benefit of Article 8 of Indo-UAE Treaty must be extended to entire freight receipt, irrespective of whether the earnings was related to feeder vessel or a ships in international traffic. Oh my god. So total income which the earning related to feeder vessel or the ships in the international traffic is completely exempted, not to be taxed in India as per the Treaty of Indo-UAE Treaty, as per the Article 8. Very good point. This is excellent point. So ANCO Global FCCO, the assessing officer allow only the partial exemption, but the total exemption, it's our exemption available for whole thing, not only the feeder vessel but also the whole ship.